Hi, my name is Beverly Fitch. I am the musical teacher at Bouchard Middle School. I teach orchestra and a chorus. So today we're going to talk about dynamics. And you might ask, what is dynamics? Well, dynamics are symbols that are placed inside of our music that we read to play or sing. And the composer or songwriter lets us know how they want the song to be presented. So, in performance, you'll see these symbols. They range from loud to soft, and everything in between, and a little beyond. So, if the composer wants you, or the arranger, or the songwriter, wants you to be loud, then they're going to use this symbol, which is a fancy F, and it is a symbol for an Italian word, forte. And forte means loud. When they want it to be soft, then they're going to show you this fancy P. And the P is also Italian, and it stands for piano, which in Italian means soft. So there are many things in between loud and soft. These two things gives us the opportunity to show more range of expression through volume. So we have medium loud, which in Italian, that M actually means mezzo. So it's mezzo forte, which means medium loud. Or you could have something that's medium soft, and that's mezzo, that's right, piano, mezzo piano, which means medium soft. Now there are times when they want you to start music off softly and gradually grow into a loud production. Or perhaps they want you to start loud and decrease in volume. Then you would use these two symbols. You have crescendo, and crescendo is from soft to loud. When the two ends meet, that's where it's soft. And where they're far apart is where they need you to be loud. So if it starts off soft, this is a crescendo. If it starts off loud, then we're going to decrease in volume. And that is called a decrescendo. Let's look at some music. And see how these symbols might be presented in a piece of music. You see, mezzo piano, forte, soft. Those are the ones that's in these pieces. Each line is a different piece. So I'm going to show you some sounds in the volumes. Let's start off with loud. I know that's a favorite. And then we have piano. If we want something in between, like our mezzo piano or our mezzo forte, it may sound like this. Let's do mezzo forte. Mezzo piano. And piano. So, let's take a line and let's see if we can play it the way the person that wrote this intended for it to be played. So in this first line, it's in 4/4, and it starts off with a mezzo piano, and then we're going to grow with a crescendo because it starts off softly and grows to be loud. Let's do it together. If you have some type of instrument you can use, you can also use your hands. That's an instrument. Let's play together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Very good. Could you hear the difference in the sounds? I hope so. Let's play the second line. I'm going to change instruments and play my homemade drum, which is actually a little garbage can. Now, whatever you find to use, make sure it's parent approved. All right? Don't want anybody mad at you. All right, here we go. We're going to read line number 2, and it's in 3/4. So we're counting up to 3 before we start again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Very good. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's try line number 3 before we go. And I'm going to use a triangle because I want you to hear the difference between our rest and our note that you're able to let the sound continue. And this is in, that's right, tell me again. It's in 2/4. Very good. Let's start. You ready? 1, 2, 1, 2. Rest. 1, 2. Rest. Could you hear the difference? There are links where you can hear different music sound at different volumes. See if you can find some of your own. It was good spending time with you. You have a good one. Bye-bye.